Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use your promo code on Ticketmaster. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar simply type in ticketmaster.com and press enter. Now you will be taken into the official Ticketmaster website. If you see the sign in button at the top section, that means you're not logged into your account. So simply click on it and log in using your email address and your password. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to this home page where you can see the My Account section. Now in order to enter your desired promo code, you will need to go ahead and buy a ticket. So let's go ahead and see some tickets that we can buy. Now after clicking on Find Tickets, and you will be able to select your desired seating. Now after booking your ticket, click on the next button and you will be taken into the ticket buying menu. Now before placing your order, you can scroll down and find various payment options. Now underneath the PayPal option, you will be able to find Add Credit as well as Promo Code. Simply click on this and you can enter your promo code. Simply enter your promo code and your gift card number as well, and then click on the Apply button. After you have applied your promo code, you can simply read and agree to the terms of use and then click on Place Order to finalize your ticket order along with your promo code. And there you have it. After placing your order, you can proceed with the payments and you will receive your promo code discount as well. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.